Hi, in this video, we will be talking about the benefits of facial steaming, the risks you should be aware of, and how to do it safely. We will also share some tips for enhancing the experience and taking care of your skin after steaming. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the benefits of facial steaming. It opens up pores, promotes blood circulation, boosts hydration, and can even help with acne. These benefits make it a great addition to any skincare routine. Now, let's discuss the risks you should be aware of. If done incorrectly or too often, facial steaming can cause burns, overdrying, and irritation. It's important to know how to do it safely to avoid these risks, so how can you do facial steaming safely? We recommend using a facial steamer or a bowl of hot water with a towel, keeping your face at a safe distance, limiting steaming to once a week, and following up with gentle skincare products. Next, let's talk about the best times to do facial steaming. It can be done before bed, after a workout, or whenever you need to de-stress. Adding natural ingredients like tea tree oil, chamomile oil, and lavender can enhance the benefits of facial steaming. Lastly, let's discuss aftercare for facial steaming. Rinse with cool water. Apply a hydrating serum or moisturizer, and avoid wearing makeup for a few hours to allow your skin to breathe. Facial steaming is a great way to achieve healthy, glowing skin, but it's important to do it safely and take care of your skin afterward. Click the link in the description below to read detailed article about facial steaming. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching.